are told that the Maharashtra unit of the Congress has now gone into a huddle. We are told that H.K. Patil, of course, spoke to Nana Patole as well as Ashok Chavan and Balasaheb Thorat on the Sachin Waze fiasco. Let me go across to my colleague Anuj, who's reporting on this. In fact, no, I have Alisha on this. Alisha. Okay, I'm going to go to Alisha in just a bit, but Anuj, if I could come to you first. Now, Anuj, just minutes ago, we were talking about the fact that the Congress also, which is a part of the MVA government in Maharashtra, has formed its own committee to look into it. Of course, that is being headed by Kamal Nath, but apart from that, we are now told that the state unit is also looking into it.
Well, exactly. This is going to be very important and has to be kept in mind when we are talking about the Congress party in the state of Maharashtra, because this is Maha Vikas Aghadi, and Congress party is one of the party which is there in the alliance when we are talking about the state government. So now what we have been told, as we are seeing the latest development coming in from the state of Maharashtra, this is H.K. Patil who talked to the Balasaheb Thorat, Ashok Chavan and the leaders of Congress Maharashtra. They discuss about Waje also, what we have been told. They discuss about the political crisis which is going on. They discuss about the political situation which is going on. On the other hand, they also discuss about the administrative situation which is going on and the fast-paced development what we are seeing in the state of Maharashtra, as well as the series of meeting what we are seeing in the state of in national capital, I beg your pardon. On the other hand, let me tell you, this was none other but Kamal Nath himself who met with Sharad Pawar. So everything is being looked up, but this is going to be the Congress now. Let me tell you, the talks has already started. This will be reported to Rahul Gandhi, and let me also tell you, this was none other but Balasaheb Thorat who met with Rahul Gandhi on 18th of this month. On 19th, Rahul Gandhi flies to Assam, but before that, this was on the 18th night when the Maharashtra Congress leader met with Rahul Gandhi and discussed about the same. So this is going to be the Congress stand now. What exactly is going to be their stand?
Anuj, as you're pointing out, you know, all the constituents of the MVA essentially going into huddles to try and figure out a way out of this. Thank you very much for the moment, Anuj, for joining us.